Come on, it's Carly. Carly the welder.
Carly the welder, man.
Come on. Hey, we're about to go out right now and meet Carly the welder. Come on, stay tuned.
Hey, my name's Carly. We're here at Johnson Auto. Today we're messing with this 1940s Ford pickup rat rod. We're going to be cutting off the flanges, cutting off the steering, getting some firewall holes cut into the cab, and hopefully by the end of the day we're getting this cab put on. Stay tuned. Wild life or no life, man. But I got more, living in SoCal, you're obsessed with off-road, you're obsessed with the trophy trucks and the dirt bikes and the pre-runners and the dune buggies, you know, and I was like, that's what I want, you know. I'd watch these guys, and yeah. But welding will always be here. Welding will always, I will always be here.
Oh, for sure.
I will. My dad is like 60.
Welder's life, right?
That's why it's wild life or no
Yeah,
life.
wild life or no life.
Words
Did you
to
capture
go
that
by,
right
man.
there? Ew, she's with the business.
Yeah.
40, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And
which is kind of cool because it's a car frame, not a truck frame, which is kind of cool because this is higher. We don't have to notch anything out. I've already lowered the front, me and Brian. So we're just going to put some blocks to lower it in the rear. And we have plenty of travel without doing anything in the frame. And we're going to have Carly make us a cool bed for it.
absolutely, you know.
Dude, we gotta throw some flames. We gotta make some flames. We gotta blow some shit up.
Look behind me.
Can you? So really quick, when we put this cab on, we realized that the brake pedal is hitting right here. What we're gonna do is you're gonna modify it just a little bit,
notch
right?
it a little bit.
You're
Yeah,
just gonna
slide
notch
right
it,
in.
and then we're gonna try to set the cab back on, and then we'll see if we bolt it down.
Yep. That's
You're
the
on.
plan.
Go for it.
Got it. Stinks, bro. Smells bad.
Go right out there and see if you can stop
You
it.
have people walking in your shop saying, I want a job with
Will.
this guy. Hey, Will! Will you come back? Hey, will you come back, Will?
Yo, Will, where did you go?
Hey, Will! Are you willing to come back?
Let's get that.
That's fucking-
You need that box moved or are you cool?
Go.
Okay, so, hey, Swan. So
Let's get back to serious stuff.
Okay, let's get back to serious now.
I'm ready.
Are you ready to put this on?
I'm ready. Let's go.
That's right.
Giving away these classic cars. This is one. Hey, it's going to be through a raffle. If you want to join, you'll follow us at Johnson's Garage on YouTube, and you'll be following us on Johnson's Garage through all social media.
No, I really can't complain.